I mean, it'll be my elder sister's birthday in a short while, and basically, I got her this thing that is again, like I said, I'm obsessed with which is this is an intelligent massage cushion, which I did a video in the previous thing, but I'll show you a bigger version of it, which is this, you know. So basically, that's what this little thing. I don't want to open it because I plan to gift it to my sister, and this is like a smaller version of this, you know. So it's a smaller version, as you can see, and apparently this can be placed in the car, and just generally if you're traveling also. So really, sometimes a backache or something can be so crippling, right? So once you just get something as simple as this, and this is again from this particular, if you go to Forum Mall in Kukatpalli, Hyderabad, in the basement you will find this. They are called Choice Electrics, something like that. Choice. So basically, they're distributors, dealers, but you get it at a very reasonable price for like literally 1500 or 2000, and this is yours. So so that's what. Since it's a birthday present, I felt I should gift it to my sister, and certain things are like once you have them, it's very comforting. So really, so this is again a long video, but I just felt I had to make it. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.